Welcome to the world.com YouTube channel. Subscribe please. Political science, international relationship, India-China relationship, new nations were trying to come to terms with the twin challenge of welfare and democracy. Afro-Asian Unity, India conve- convened the ASEAN Relation Conference in March 1947. 5 months ahead of attaining its independence, India made earnest effort for the early relationship of freedom of Indonesia from the Dutch colonial regime by converting an international conference in 1949. To support its freedom struggle, India was staunch supporter of the colonization process and firmly opposed racism, especially apartheid in South Africa. The Afro-Asian Conference, held in the Indonesian city of Bandung in 1955, commonly known as the Bandung Conference, the Bandung Conference later led to the establishment of non-aligned movement. The first summit of the non-aligned movement was held in Belgrade in September 1961. Peace and conflict. Next, India-China relationship. Peace and conflict with China. Chinese Revolution in 1949. Indian Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and the Chinese Premier Zhou Enlai on April 1954 was a step in the direction of stronger relationship between the two countries. Tibet was independent too. In 1950, China took over control of Tibet. Dalai Lama accompanied the Chinese Premier Zhou Enlai during the official Chinese visit in India (1956). Chinese innovation (1962). China annexed Tibet in 1950 and it has removed a historical buffer between two countries. Aksai China area in the Ladakh region, Jammu-Kashmir, and Nepal between NEFA 1957 and 1959. The Chinese occupied the Aksai China and built a strategic road there. China launching date swift and massive in invasion in October 1962. On both the disputed regions, the the first attack lasted 1 week and Chinese forces some key area in Arunachal Pradesh. Second wave of attack come next month while the Indian force could block the Chinese advances on the Batween Front in Ladakh. In the east of Chinese managed to advance nearly to the entry point of Assam Plains. Finally, China declared a unilateral ceasefire and its troops withdrew to where they were before the invasion began. The Soviet Union remained neutral during the conflict. PM Jawaharlal Nehru, close associate, and then Defense Minister B.K. Krishnan, for the first time a no-confidence motion against his government was moved and debated in the Lok Sabha. The political mood of country have had begun to change. Thank you. Subscribe the channel, please.